Hello, I'm Dr. Darren Wayne. I'm a food scientist, and over the last 30 years, I've helped thousands of men, women, and children balance their blood sugar naturally. That means without pills, without drugs, without injections, without anything invasive. And I did this with food. Now, just in the last 10 years or so, I've noticed that the biggest complaint diabetics have is the lack of healthy food to eat all day long, especially when they're on the road or having to work all day. Where do they find food that's healthy enough to not just keep them full and satisfied, but actually be healthy enough to truly help balance their blood sugar? This is what eating healthy should mean for diabetics. But there's so much processed food out there that it's almost impossible to really take the time to search and prepare and then cook your meals all day long. That's why I formulated the first 100% organic diabetic meal replacement. You replace one, preferably 2 meals every day, which means you only have to make one meal for yourself. Or just eat 2 meals a day. It's up to you. You will save a lot of time, a lot of money, and you will finally experience what truly healthy food tastes like, which is extremely delicious, and feels like. The longer you eat it, the healthier you become. And everyone, the longer you eat it, actually loses unhealthy fat. That's right. It not only fills you up, satisfies you, saves you time, saves you money, helps balance your blood sugar, helps you lose weight. It's also extremely delicious, and any age can benefit. It doesn't matter what symptoms you have either. They will eventually, you'll find out, improve. That's right. I'm very excited that you finally found the first organic diabetic meal replacement, and it's called Mealbetics. All you need is 1 can per week, and each can has 10 meals. You just mix it in water in a 12-ounce cup or a thermos and drink it down or sip on it. It's up to you. Again, it's very delicious. Everyone loves it, and I know you will too. I'll talk to you soon.